We are at Silverpine Hideaway. Do a quick video tutorial on the Fireplace. Control unit's located right here on the wall. So you have mode set, you've got the temperature on this thing. Let's see if we get this reading correctly. Thermo off. It'll turn off. I push this little mode set again. Activate it. And then now up in the top right corner, it's starting to say on. So it'll take a moment for it to kick back on. So basically you've got this remote control that's right here. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us. The number is 208-630-3415.